Now that I've updated the firmware on the Freewrite Alpha, there's only one thing that's keeping me from loving it, and it's these square keycaps. They just don't feel great under my fingers, but you can change them. Let's give it a try. I happen to have a bunch of spare keycaps from a Nuphy keyboard, so I'm going to try taking these off and putting those on. Can I get in there and take it out? Yes. Probably a few keys I'm gonna leave on here, this bottom row. I don't know that I need to take them off. It's pretty satisfying. Okay. I got this set from Nuphy for my A75, and then I put the original keycaps back in this box. So here we have some options. I think we just start out with the top row, the way it is. Go from there. Now the back base is too big, so we're not going to be able to use that. Just keep going for now. Looks like tab's going to be good. The same issue with the pipe and the backslash, so not that I'm using that key a lot in novel writing. Again, on the right side, not fitting. So the shift has stabilizers on it. Let's see if they're gonna fit. If they line up. Looks like they do. Let me compare it with the other shift. I mean, they look the same. I'm gonna come back to shift. Now this one's too small. Okay, so all that's left is the bottom row. Let's see if the space bar... No, the stabilizers aren't going to line up on the space bar. So I think we're stuck with the original space bar. Page up and page down. What I have from this set are small. So I don't want to put those on there because they won't fill the space. So what else do we have? The new keys, page up, page down, this alt, send, and special. I have a little fish. Here's that alt. It's got the little curvature on it. I think I may want to just stick with that for the space bar and that alt so they go together. Just gonna line up the original keys from this row. Command, Option, Control kind of stuff. Another command that's too small. Some arrow keys. I have an insert. I don't think I have a lot of keys that are this size for the new page down, page up, send special. I have another alt here. I have a little cat, because why not put a cat in there? That's the only shift that could possibly work, but then I have a mismatch going on. Maybe it's better to just go with the original shifts. It looks like I'm pretty much stuck here, although with the pipe and backslash, I hardly ever use that key, so maybe the cat goes there, or maybe I put this little sun there. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm doing something crazy, or if you have a better idea for me, or something you like better. Cat or sun? Maybe it's the cat, just because of the color scheme. So let me go ahead and put the rest of these keys back on. It has to be the original return. Yeah, the original shifts pop on there much easier than that shift I was trying to force on. It's got to be the space bar. I think it's got to be that Alt just to fit into this little cutout scheme they have going on. Why not make the send a fish? It's a fish now. And then what about special? Should I use that little plus guy? That looks pretty special. You know, the new is such a Freewrite thing that when I leave those alone and then page up, page down, seems like it makes sense to keep it the way it is. So, square keycaps. No more square keycaps. Let me flip up the kickstand. Sweet. Well, that's it. That's all it took. Really easy to do. Couldn't change every key, but changed a lot of them. I think it looks nicer. It feels nicer. You know, maybe I thought the square keys were so that it's like slipped into the slipcase more easily, but really the low profile is all you need for that. These aren't going to get caught on anything. Maybe even less likely to get caught because like the square edges, I don't know. I don't know why they use square keycaps. These feel great. These, oh, let me, new keycaps are awesome. Well, again, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have any suggestions for a different layout. Different keys you saw me flash up here that you would change things up. Cat versus sun. Maybe it's sun. You might see me typing here if you come back, subscribe to the channel. Come back, you might see the sun in there. Don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and keep on typing.